was a nice long one. I think you should do one for me. Let me hear it. Oh, happy Valentine's Day to me. You brought me a cupcake? Oh, I'm such a lucky girl. Happy Valentine's Day to the most beautiful girl in the world. I just don't want to knock everything else over. I decided that we're gonna have a chill little Valentine's Day right here. Mm. 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 Oh my god, that's tasty. Mm. 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 So sweet. Mm. Just like you. Mm. You're the best. You know how much I love chocolate. Mm. 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 Yummy. Mm. It tastes super good. Mm. 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 So sweet. And yummy. Just like you. You should have bought another one. You can eat it all for your body. Huh? You want me to eat food off of your body? I think that's so hot. Mm. Mm. Cupcake is done and dusted. Ugh. Mm. So yummy. And then, to counter the sweetness, I made us some popcorn. And you can tell me all about your day. How was your day? Did you have a good day, my sweetheart? Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh man, this is. Oh, thank God. I thought it was gonna splash all over my face. Excuse me. Dying a little bit. Let's get more comfortable. Well, you don't have to worry about them anymore because you're here with me now. And we're gonna eat some popcorn. We're gonna drink our drinks, our energy. We're gonna consume our energy. And forget all of our problems for a second. You wanna do that? How about I give you a nice big burp? I think you should go first. Well done. That was hot. Yummy. I have baby burps. I know. I like if I see like a video of another girl burping, and like 99% of the time I'm so jealous because it's so much better. It's like a lion's roar, and mine is like Simba. Yeah. I think we should stay in and we should watch a bunch of Valentine's Day movies. And because I'm like freaky and stuff, I don't like pure romance. Like, I'm not running to the theater to watch Wuthering Heights. However, something like Lisa Frankenstein, we can watch that. Or Warm Bodies. I love that movie. It's about a zombie boy who falls in love with a real girl. So it's like very Twilighty, but it's zombies. It's awesome. I love that. Another one we could watch is Let Me In. So these are basically movies with like a little bit of like romantic movies with a bit of a twist. You know, Let Me In is about this girl who's a vampire, right? And the whole time you think the person that's with her is her dad, but it's not. It's someone that she's like made like obsessed with her. What do you call it? Like she's lured him in because he's a vampire. And but because he's been with her for so long and she doesn't age, she looks like she might be related to him when she's not. And then she gets a new boy who like falls for her and stuff. And then he doesn't realize that, the other dude wasn't her. So it was like, yeah. And then he ends up with the same fate as the other. I don't know. It's really good. It's got Chloe Grace Moretz in it. But that's a great romantic movie. What's another one? Twilight. I mentioned Twilight. We could watch Twilight. I was a massive Twilight fan when it came out. Like, crazy obsessed. But more because my friends were obsessed. And then I read the books and then I became obsessed with it. And then I watched the movies and I loved them. So we could watch Twilight. Or like True Blood. No, but that's a series. That's a series. Huh? What's your favorite movie? Uh-huh. That's a good one. We could watch that. But first, we gotta watch Let Me In or Warm Bodies or Lisa Frankenstein. Although, I must say, out of all the movies I've mentioned, Lisa Frankenstein is probably my least favorite. And it's not rare. Bride of Chucky. But I'm obsessed with Tiffany. I want to see the Frankenstein movie with the bride. I don't know if it's a series or what. A lot of Frankenstein movies coming out. 20 years ago it was vampires. Now it's... They tried to make zombies happen, but it didn't really happen. Now everyone's gonna fucking hard on for Frankenstein. My prediction: next summer everyone's gonna be obsessed because last summer was Nosferatu, right? Who is a vampire? Yeah, I'm predicting next year the monster of the year is gonna be zombies. Probably. we're gonna start seeing a lot of romantic movies with zombies. Because when you think about it, Warm Bodies is the only one, right? It's literally the only one. Maybe I should write a little zombie love story. No one will read it, but I can make a club, right? Are you enjoying it? Your present will be delivered right before tonight. I'm not telling you what you're getting, but you're getting something really nice. Nice and big and whatever you wanted. I mean, I'm just giving you hints, no spoilers. Let me give you another burp if you want one. You look so good in that top. No, you really do. Sexy. I like the way it like tightens everything and like pushes your boobies up. I think it's hot. I like when you wear tight things. I love watching you show off your sexy body. Even if you don't think it is. I think it's gorgeous. I love every curve and swerve. Everything. I mean, if you're attracted to women, you're attracted to everything on a woman. Every curve. Their soft skin, beautiful faces. And also things I can't mention on this social media in particular. But you are so beautiful. Have some popcorn. Open that pretty mouth of yours. Wait, let me see if I can throw it in. Sorry. Let me try one more time. There we go. I got it in. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. We could even just chill and listen to some music. Who do you recommend? Some love songs? Give me some love song recommendation. Love songs. I'm not big on love songs. A lot of people know that I like my bad bitch music or Britney or metal. However, Sleep Token, beautiful love music. Luke Combs, love Luke Combs. Connor Maynard, Very romantic music. Very, very romantic. He does covers and stuff, but he has a beautiful voice. Funnily enough, there's one love song I absolutely hate. And it's not because of the song. The song is beautiful. I just hate the way it's sung and the way it's been forced down my throat ever since it came out. And that's You're Beautiful by James Blunt. I know. But that song has been played to death. And his voice is, yeah, I'm beautiful. I can't handle it. I can't stand it. It annoys me. I heard someone on TikTok cover it in different voices, and the song sounded so much better in every other voice. That's why this is a pet peeve of mine. I don't know what you want from me. Okay. You're a good girl. Sexy little miss. Oh, I am overheating, dying. Oh, that was a nice long one. I think you should do one for me. Let me hear it. I want to hear if you roar like a lion or you end up sounding like Simba, like me. Come on. Oh, I don't want to flash. Not yet. That's for later. Come on, let's hear it. Oh, nice. That was impressive. Do another one for me. That sounds awesome. You're pretty good at this. Maybe you should be making content with me. Huh? That'd be hot. Let's do it. We're gonna burp together. Okay, are you ready? Oh man, yours was so much better than mine. Let's try it again. I think I beat you that time. I did, because a little bit came back. I'm so disgusting. I'm so sorry. Why are you dating me? Okay. This, I'm talking too much. Sweaty ass. Sweaty. It's so hot. I need my neck on. So tonight, what's gonna happen is we're gonna watch some movies. We're gonna listen to some music. And then we're gonna hop like bunnies. Hopefully, if you let me. You know. I do have any. So that I want to try. So I don't know if you're game. You could always try it on me. We could take turns. I have popcorn in my teeth. Mm. You want to see how full your cupcake, this drink, and this popcorn had made me? I was hoping by lying on my stomach I would flatten it out, but I doubt that's the case. It never is. Let me show you. Look how bloated it's become. Such a squishy, soft belly, right? Ooh. Soft and squishy. Oh, it's just so big. So yeah, that's what you've done to me today. I'm not complaining, don't worry. I like my little spare tire. I think it's cute. I think it's cuddly, and I think you can cuddle it later for me. How's that? Is that okay? How does that sound? I feel like that sounds good. And I feel like you lying on my belly while we watch a romantic, scary movie together would be the perfect way to end the day. What do you think? Well, I mean, it's gonna end with me sitting on your face, obviously. But before that, oh, okay, I'm all done. Bring the popcorn. Sorry. Bring the popcorn. Go pick out a movie. But first, let's listen to some of that music you told me about. That could be fun. I love you. Best girlfriend in the world. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment because that's what good girlfriends do.